How to add birthdays to Google Calendar. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open calendar.google.com. After your calendar is open, on the left side, scroll down. Scroll down till you find birthdays. After you find birthdays, on the left side, make sure there is tick mark in birthdays option. After you've done that, you can simply open a new tab. In your new tab, search contacts.google.com. Then you'll find all your contacts. Click on Create Contact at the top left. Click on Create a Contact again. Then create a new contact, add first name, last name, number, and add the birthday you want to add in your Google Calendar. Then press on Save at the top right corner of your screen. After you've pressed on Save, you can simply go to Google Calendar. In your Google Calendar, you will find birthday. And this is how to add birthdays to Google Calendar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.